Assalamu alaikum students. Let's start our new exercise. In our last exercises we just use one tool. In this exercise we will use two tools, which will be one tool will be the turning tool and the second tool will be parting tool. It means that after making this shape we will part of this workpiece. Let's start. First of all, we have the program number starting with the O and any 4 digit, which in this case we gave 0028 end of block. The second block T0404, it is our turning tool on number 4, and this is the offset value of the tool where we save our offset of this tool. G96 M04S150, this is the constant cutting speed on, and this is the cutting speed. Machine will calculate RPM automatically. As I told you that when the tool will go down, automatically diameter, according to the diameter, the RPM will be more, and when tool go up, RPM will be slow. In next line, G95 feed 0.15, this is the feed per revolution. One workpiece rotate one time, the tool will be forward 0.15. And then next line, G00X46Z0, our workpiece is 45, and now tool will come here with the rapid feed G00X46, just half millimeter above Z0. In next block, G01X-1, next line with the G01 we will do facing until here X-1, and then G00X46Z1, G00X46Z1 tool will go back. Now we will give G73 command, which is the stock removal in turning, which always we have in the two blocks, two lines. In the first line we will tell G73 U1R1, this is the depth of cut, which can be 1, 1.5, 2, depend on the material. R1 retract 1 millimeter, it means when tool will take 1 millimeter cut, after that it will be 1 millimeter back and go back, and then from here it will take 1 millimeter cut and retract 1, so it will remove material 1, 1, 1 like this. If we give 2, then it will be 2 millimeter depth. In the second block, G73 P45 Q90, this is the address from where to where we want to remove the material, from P45, like from here to here. So P45 Q90 U0.5, this is the allowance in x-axis, this is the allowance in the z-axis. It means that we will not make this diameter 44, it will be 44.5, and this will be 30.5, and also in the z-axis we will keep 0.1 for the finishing. So then from here this is the first line of the shape N45 G00X36Z1, tool will come rapidly here, just 1 millimeter near to the workpiece. In next line, G01 X36Z0, tool will touch here, and then G03 X44 Z-4, which is here. And next line we have straight line G01 X44 Z-7, and then again we have straight line, no need to write G01 X20 Z-34 X20 Z-40. Now here G02 X25 Z-45 R5, and then G03 X30 Z-50. Now we are here R5. Now here we have something different. Now we will not stop here because we need to cut this workpiece with the parting tool. So what we will take the tool 3 or 4 millimeter more here. So our parting tool will come and easily it will cut here. So after here we will add one line with the G01 X30 Z-54. It means same diameter, we just go 4 millimeter more, G01 X30 Z-54, and then from here the tool will go up now, G00 X46 Z-54, in the same point it will be here. Now S200 we increase the cutting speed, so RPM will be more, and decrease the feed before it was 0.15, now 0.1, you can keep 0.08, 0.1, and then finishing command G72 P45, we need finishing from P45 to Q90. Now you remember before we left half millimeter, now it will be 00 with this command, and then home position G28 U0 W0. Before we had here M30, now we will not write M30 because we want to cut this workpiece with the parting tool. Now in our machine we have parting tool on number 6, so we will say T0606 parting tool. And remember, this is not the program, just in the black color, this is our program. This is just first time to make you understand I wrote in the next program we will not write these things. So this parting tool. And now here one thing more, you will see here, with this tool we use G96. Now with the parting tool we will use G97. It means the direct spindle speed. And also if you with G97, this is the RPM, not cutting speed, because with the parting tool and threading tool we use less RPM. If we use G96 command, what will happen, that parting tool will go, when it will go down, RPM will be more, and maybe then our tool will damage or there can be an accident. So that's why when we use parting tool we will not use G96 command, we will use G97 command. It means direct spindle speed, M04, and this is the RPM. Now tool will be anywhere, the RPM will be 1000. Now G95, also G95 feed 0.08, we will use less feed, not like the turning tool we used more feed. And then G00 X46 Z minus 50 tool will come here, X46 Z minus 50, exactly in the same line. And then G05 X5 Z minus 50 tool will come with the G01 until X5 to somewhere here. Now after this, as I told you that our machine has collecting tray, which means when the tool will cut this workpiece automatically, no need to open the door, safety door, you can collect it from the outside like a Pepsi machine. So when the tool will reach near to 5 X5, now we will give the command M24 collecting tray forward. It means forward means open. So this is the when we write this command, the collecting tray will open, which will be something like this. The tray will be open, the workpiece is here, tray will be here somewhere. So when the next command will say G01 X minus 1 Z50, it means the tool will come until here and the tray is open now. When we say X minus 1, that workpiece will fall down in the tray, and then we need to close the tray. So how to close the tray? M23 collecting tray backward means it will be closed. And then G00 X46 Z minus 50 tool will go back, X46 Z minus 50, and then home position M30. So this is the way all now other whenever we want to use the parting tool, this is the program for the parting tool. Every time same, no need to change. Let's see the next program which is similar to this. This shape we will use turning tool, and also we will use the parting tool. First of all, program number, turning tool, the constant cutting speed on, G95 feed per revolution, X46 Z0 tool will be here. The next line we will use facing G01 X minus 1 Z0, and then go back G00 X46 Z1 here. Then again G73 stock removal command, G73 U1 R1 take 1 millimeter cut every time and retract 1. It means when tool will take 1 millimeter cut and go retract 1 milli and go back, it will remove 1 milli, and you can give to 1.5 2 also. And then G73 P45 to Q80 means we want to remove the material from here to here. One thing I remind you, so many of you have already submitted your first assignment with the FANUC control. When you write this program, you must write this N here. If you don't write N here, this will be a mistake, because if you don't write here N, then how machine will understand that it has to do roughing from here to here. So you must write this N45 and this N here, you must write. If you will not write, this will be a mistake. So G73 P45 Q80 we give allowance in X, and W is same like Z. And then G00 X18 Z1 tool will be here, X18 Z1. Next line G01 we will go here, Z minus 2, and then G02 X42 Z minus 10, radius 20. Then G01 here, X42 Z minus 12. Again G01, no need to write, X16 Z minus 35.5. Then G02 X30 Z minus 44, radius 9.5. Now again we will not stop here, we will continue. We will go not 50, we will go 4 millimeter extra, because we want to cut with the parting tool. So here G01 you can see here G02 X30 Z minus 44, we are here. Now next line I will not stop 50, I will take it to 53, 54, anything more than this. So X30 Z minus 54 tool will be somewhere here, and then tool will go up G00 X46 Z minus 4. So from here to here this is our shape, and with the G73 machine will remove this all material. Then we'll increase the RPM by increasing cutting speed and decrease the feed by 0.15. Before it was 0.15, now it is 0.1. Finishing command G72 P45 to Q80. From here to here they will be finishing. Home position. Now we'll take the parting tool and direct spindle speed. This is the constant cutting speed on, then this is the direct spindle speed. This is the cutting speed. So with this command, this is the cutting speed, and with G97 this is the RPM. So this will be fixed. Tool go up or down, the RPM will be 1000. With this tool go up or down, machine calculate RPM automatic, and RPM also becomes slow and fast automatically. So G97 M04 S1000 we will use less feed because this is the parting tool. G95 F0.08. Now G00 X46 Z -50 tool will be somewhere here, and then G01 X5 Z -50 tool will come slow with the G01 command until here for the 5 millimeter. Then we will open the collecting tray. M24 is the collecting tray forward, which means the tray will be somewhere here, it will be open. Next line G01 X -1 Z -50 tool will go here and it will be in the tray, and now we need to close the tray. M23, the tray will be closed, and then G00 X46 Z -50 tool will go up. Home position M30. Now in the week number 12 I will give you similar to these both programs, I will give you another assignment which you have to make. Hopefully it will be easy because it is this similar to this both program, and inshallah you can do it easily. Thank you.